Welcome back to Online Tools Master. Today, we're continuing our exploration of Color Mixer, the world's simplest online multicolor mixing tool created by Browserling. To access this tool, open your browser, search for onlinepngtools.com, and navigate to Color Mixer. Inside the tool, you can assign custom weights to colors, choose advanced weighted average methods such as RGB, HSL, or LAB, and display the final result in formats like RGB, HSL, RGBA, hex, or CMYK. These advanced options give you precise mathematical control over how colors are blended. Now, let's explore 3 advanced examples in action. Example 1. Mix RGB colors with weights. Here is the input where we entered 2 RGB colors with custom weights. RGB 0144 252 equals 3, RGB 252 216 0 equals 1. This means we are mixing 3 parts of blue with 1 part of yellow. Blue has 3 times more influence than yellow, creating a 3-to-1 ratio. We selected weighted average RGB as the mixing method. We selected display RGB code as the output format. The tool calculates the weighted average of each RGB channel proportionally. The resulting color becomes RGB 63162-189, clearly reflecting the dominant presence of blue while still blending in a subtle yellow tone. This example demonstrates how you can precisely control color dominance using weights. Click Save as to download the result. Example 2. Average colors in HSL, color space. Here is the input where we entered 2 highly saturated HSL colors. HSL 100, 150, HSL 300, 150. These represent lime green and magenta. We selected weighted average HSL as the mixing method. We selected display HSL code as the output format. Since both colors contribute equally, the tool calculates the midpoint of hue, saturation, and lightness values. The resulting color is HSL20, 100%, 50%, which appears as a vibrant orange-red tone positioned exactly between the 2 original hues on the color wheel. This method is especially useful when building balanced UI themes, gradients, or brand palettes. Click Save as to download the result. Example 3. Merge multiple colors in LAB color space. Here is the input where we entered 5 different colors in 5 different formats. Royal blue, HSL 80, 100%, 50%. RGBA 00, 99, 0.2 Lab 60, 80, -50, #FFD, 700. Each of these colors contributes equally, meaning each has a 20% influence on the final result. We selected weighted average LAB as the mixing method. We selected display RGBA code as the output format. Because one of the input colors is semi-transparent, RGBA 00, 99, 0.2, the tool also blends the alpha channel. The final mixed color becomes partially transparent, approximately 84% opaque and 16% transparent. The output is displayed in RGBA format, clearly showing both the blended color and its transparency value. This example shows how Color Mixer can merge multiple color formats at once while maintaining accurate transparency calculations. Click Save as to download the result. Before we wrap up, here's something important to remember. Weighted averages and advanced color spaces like HSL and LAB give you deeper creative and technical control over your final color output. Whether you're designing user interfaces, print materials, digital artwork, or branding systems, choosing the right color space can dramatically change your results. Also, don't forget to check out our last videos on Color Mixer Part 1 and PNG Viewer. Try the Color Mixer yourself at onlinepngtools.com. Experiment with different weights and color spaces, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more quick and powerful tool tutorials.